There is a new feature in hosting a website builder, and it is a case of if you blink, you miss it. It's also a feature that's been available in Squarespace for some time, so it's nice to have something similar available on the Hostinger platform. And I'm talking about the sticky bar. If we go in and edit a Hostinger website builder website, this isn't available for WordPress sites built on the hosting platform, we should see this sticky bar option. Once we've put this in place, we've got our promotional text that we can add in. We can change the color of the text by highlighting it and changing it using our pre-existing color palette that's available in our template, or by adding a custom color. So in this case, I'm going to go for a light text, just off white. We can barely see it now. And now I can also go into the edit section. We can now change the background color or indeed add an image, although I haven't tested that section. So now we've added in color, text color. All we need to do is enter in our custom text for that promotional bar. We also get standard customizable features like bold, italic, and indeed underline if we want to edit that text. Once I've created my promotional bar, I can save it. This is great for opening hours, seasonal announcements, bank holiday closures, or urgent updates that you need to get across on your website. Alternatively, it could be used to promote your telephone number, email address, or other contact details. There's a host of potential uses for that announcement bar. If we were to preview this, now it's in place, we can see how it looks on the website. And one more important aspect is that it appears on every page by default. I can't see an option to auto close it. That's a feature that I've been used to in Squarespace, but for me, that's not a deal breaker. It's a small, but another incremental improvement to this impressive platform. I hope you find it useful, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.